Hey YouTubers, I was recently asked what are 5 essential tools I'd want in my workshop, and I thought, well, I'll just reach underneath my bench and find them. This is what I came up with, and now we're going to take a look at them. I chose the hand drill as my first essential tool because of its versatility. Here I have 2 different ones. One is a plug-in, the other one is battery operated. They're both referred to as hand tools, and they have both advantages and disadvantages. One of the major advantages of the power tool version is it plugs in and it stays at constant speed, constant power, long lasting. Versus the battery, which has got versatility, you're able to move around your project area without being tethered to the wall, and you've got short bursts of power and you're able to get the job done. But generally for them all, they're very versatile. They can use sanders, grinders, so the hand tool is my first go-to tool for my workshop. I chose the circular saw because, for its obvious reasons, it's able to cut things for length. I deal with a lot of wood products that are long in the beginning, but then if I get into a smalls project, I'm cutting it down to something small. The circular saw comes in 2 different forms, whether it's a plug-in form like I have, or a battery-operated form. Downside is the battery-operated forms cost a little bit more money than the plug-in. So if I'm going to pick one for starting out, I'm going to go with the plug-in version. They all come with the same ability to cut at different angles. They all come with the ability to cut at different depths, but overall I need this to cut down my projects so I can put them together when I'm dealing with my smalls. I chose the Jig Saw as my third choice because of its ability to be utilized as a finishing tool. Your circular saw makes rough cuts, large cuts, straight cuts, where the Jig Saw has more versatility in its ability to make curves, angles. Again, I can change the angle of the blade. I can make circles with it. I can change the blades out to cut through plastics, copper piping, different metals with the different blades. Size, it's able to get into smaller corners that the circular saw is unable to get into. So overall, I would choose this for my workbench. I chose the palm sander as my 4th choice because of its finishing abilities. Like the Jig Saw, its ability to finish a project ready for painting or staining, we need it to smooth down a surface. It's not used at the beginning of a project because it's a finishing project. It comes with different sandpapers, and there's different sanders out there. There's palm sanders, there's belt sanders, there's brick sanders, there's all different kinds of sanders out there. You just have to find which one is the best one for your project and your workshop. Definitely a palm sander is one that I would want in my workshop. The 5th tool that I've chosen is a shop vac. Every shop needs one, keeps the area clean and safe. Sawdust on the ground is very slippery, so it'll reduce slips and falls. This particular model is less than $50. Picks up wet and dry messes that are left in the shop or at the workplace. It's versatile. I'm able to carry it to and from the workshop. And you don't want to use a household vacuum cleaner on a drywall mess, for an example, because the drywall dust gets into the innards of the vacuum cleaner, and that $500 Dyson that you just bought is now just a $500 paperweight. It has no use because it's not designed the way a shop vac is designed to pick up particular messes. So I would definitely go with a shop vac for one of my top 5 tools to have in my shop. Well, that was quite the list of tools that I have around my workbench, and this is my list. It may not be your list, but if you're just starting out, these are the 5 essential tools I'd want to have around my workshop. Have a great day. Cheers.